Hey guys, Jenna today we're back with another reel. So here's actually all the dogs. We have Goose. Hey Goose, how you doing? Okay, no, don't bite the phone. If none, they fight all the time. Sometimes some of the dogs get hurt. You know what? And here's so fun. My fatness. Hey, don't drag her into this. She's fat. Hey, Shelf, you don't have to get involved. Up. Oh crap! This Grace. Oh. Okay. Has it only been 58 seconds? Did I end the video? Okay, I don't think I ended the video. They're just fighting here. So, I decided to make this to say that videos won't be up today because there's some weird stuff going on with data on the PS4. I'm actually out of data. I don't know how to get any more. Or I'm bad boy. I'm very close to getting out of data. No watching our faces. Oh God. 1 second, guys. I have to get this solved. Okay, I broke them up a little bit. I think Chris is right there. So, oh boy, I think Chris is trying to go upstairs. But so, Sophie's still here. Chris is over there. Good. 1 second. Okay. So, how about the other two out? Oh God, they're probably killing each other. Well, so we'll just talk so. Yeah, videos are gonna be here for a while because data. Yeah, and Far Cry 4 being a butt, not working. I wanted to tell my cousin to see if he can get it to work. So I don't know. So far, it hasn't been working. Super excited for Christmas too. Pretty much everyone who celebrates Christmas is. So I can't wait for Christmas. My friends Mike and David are getting a PS4 for it. So I'm gonna be able to play with them, which will be fun. We'll probably see them in some of the videos. They'll probably make their own videos on their own channel. Still in the microwave. I hear a beep. Something in the microwave. 1 second. Oh, look at our tree. Bright. Yes. Have this hat. Oh, Walking Dead hat. Yeah. One-handed. Because we were like that. We also got this Rubik's Cube, which is now finished. We had that for years. So, yeah, I'm gonna end it there. So thank you, Ghetto Nation. Have a good day. Woo! Woo!